Hey everybody, I am Miss Reinhardt. If you see me on campus, stop and speak to me please. I'm just going to give you a very brief introduction, and what I would like for you guys to do as a bonus activity in this first week of the course is to send me an email and tell me a little bit about yourself. So give me a brief biography. You can attach pictures if you want of yourself or your family or your dog, or even your car. In the meantime, I would like to read those and get to know you a little bit. And, it's hard sometimes in an online class to feel like you know the people that you're talking to. So very briefly about me, I've been here at York Tech for technically 13 years now. I'm going on year 9 of full-time employment here. I've been Miss Bradshaw the whole time I've been here. However, I just got married in April, so my last name is now Reinhardt. So you may still see my emails show up as kbradshaw@yorktech.edu, and then my name will say Reinhardt, so please don't be confused. I am the same person. I have taught all kinds of classes here: English, reading, college skills. So I'm in a variety of roles. I'm also the lead advisor for Phi Theta Kappa International Honor Society here on campus. My office is in A144, and I encourage you to stop by if you're on campus and you would like to, ask me a question or just come by to visit. I am a huge horror movie fan. I have lots of horror movie t-shirts, and I watch a lot of horror movies and supernatural television shows and things like that. And I'm also a big concert fan. Haven't been to as many this summer because I've been traveling a lot, but I tend to go usually to about 8 rock concerts a year, and I do prefer rock. I have a daughter named Ava. She's 9. And I have several pets. I have 4 cats, 2 of which are outside, so I'm kind of crazy cat lady, but not completely, and a German Shepherd named Mia. I live in Richburg, South Carolina. You can hear my Chester County accent that I can't get rid of. And so I just want to welcome you to the class, let you know what I look like, so if you see me, you can say hello. And I hope to get an email from you guys. I'll send out an email to you and give you a deadline for that to get the bonus credit, so I can get to know you a little bit too. All right, see you later.